Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 14th April 2025. To combat cyber fraud via mule accounts, banks are urging for authority to freeze suspicious accounts swiftly, bypassing lengthy approval processes. The Indian Banks Association suggests using AI and ML for enhanced monitoring and verifying accounts opened with voter IDs through the Election Commission database. Apple Inc. assembled $22 billion worth of iPhones in India in the 12 months ended March, increasing production by nearly 60% over the previous year in a sign of continued diversification away from China. The Cupertino, California-headquartered company now makes 20% or 1 in 5 of its prized iPhones in the South Asian country. The ramp-up suggests the iPhone maker and its suppliers are accelerating a pivot to India from China, a process it began when harsh COVID lockdowns hurt production at Apple's largest plant. The bulk of India-made iPhones are assembled at Foxconn Technology Group's factory in southern India. Tata Group's electronics manufacturing arm, which bought Wistron Corp and controls Pegatron Corp's operations, is also a key supplier. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has issued a draft on auditing standards for limited liability partnerships in order to bring them at par with companies in terms of accountability and transparency. Currently, LLPs are not legally required to follow any specific accounting and auditing standards. In addition, LLPs are exempted from Auditor's Report Order or CARO, a format for the issue of audit reports in case of statutory audits of companies. The draft has incorporated amendments from the recently finalized 6 standards in addition to revising the terminologies in the context of LLPs. In the draft rules, the standards of auditing will be notified for the first time under the LLP Act 2008. The US has removed import duties on electronics, giving India and Vietnam a 20% tariff advantage over China. This policy shift is expected to boost Apple's exports from India, where mobile phone exports have already surged. Experts believe this creates a significant opportunity for India to strengthen its position in the global electronics market, though long-term uncertainties remain. Honda Cars India Limited has sold its 380-acre land parcel near Ahmedabad to Mascot Group, marking a major shift in Vithalapur's industrial landscape. Originally acquired for future expansion, the land was deemed surplus as Honda's Tapukara plant met current capacity needs. Despite market fluctuations, Indian CEOs' median compensation reached Rs 10 crore in 2025, a 13% increase, says Deloitte India. While 40% is fixed, 60% is performance linked. Other C-suite roles also saw pay hikes. Companies are rethinking compensation amid volatility, with increased scrutiny of stock-based incentives. Shareholder rejection rates for new stock plans have quadrupled, signaling enhanced governance and stakeholder protection. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.